Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. Our shop name is SNC Budget Creations. I'll link it down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also for the month of October we do have a freebie which I will link as well. What are we doing today? Well, I had an issue. I actually filmed my Freebie Friday cash stuffing, took care of it, went to upload it, complete fail. It recorded like the first few minutes of it or something, I don't know. Anyway, well, with my Freebie Fridays, mini Mondays, I actually use a Sharpie and pen or whatever, and I can't undo what I've done. So I had to make a decision. I had some money already put away for my mini Mondays for next week. And I said, okay, well, do I want to just wait until mini Mondays or do I want to do 2 Freebie Fridays only? The other one is just, it was just for my entertainment apparently. I figured I'll just go ahead and try again. And we're just going to get through this Freebie Friday round 2. Of course, you don't get to see part 1. It was actually a lot of fun, by the way. Anyway, I just decided I would go ahead and try again. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks that we're going to go ahead and put into our Freebie Fridays. And then I will be back to do my mini Mondays next time. So I think we'll do a spicy with this $2. I don't know where we're going to get it to end up, but that should be a good mix right there. And I think what we'll do is we will just set up our envelopes, then we will roll the dice. Let's see. So I believe I introduced a couple of new savings challenges in that video, so I mean, it is what it is. At this point, we're just gonna go for it because the struggle's real. It's gonna be fine though because I'm just adding more money. That's all. Okay. I need to find my dice. I'm looking around all crazy, and even my kids were like, "You're filming at night? I thought you didn't like filming at night. It's almost the middle of the night." I'm like, middle of the night? That's extreme. But let me find my dice. One moment. All right, so I was hiding off to the side here, and I hope all of this is in frame. I should have looked. We're just going to make sure that we are going to try to keep the dice somewhere in here to roll. Let's see. How can we do this? Can you see the money? Okay, I think you can see the money. It is nighttime, but it's not the middle of the night, guys. So, all right. So we have a $2 spicy. Looks like this savings challenge only needs 2. This one only needs 3. And I'm not certain what this one needs. I have my other savings challenges lined up to do work as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 is getting $1. 4 is getting another $1. Oh, that savings challenge is completed. 1. So let's throw in this one. There. Okay. So we're good to go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 5. I don't know how many that one needs, so we'll just have to play that one by ear. 2. Okay, so we need 6. 1, 2, 3. 6. Nope. Oh, the third one got the $2 spicy. 4. Okay, come on. 6. Nope. 2. 1. Oh, come on. 6. Nope. 2. I don't know why it tickles me so much. I think it's gonna hit and it doesn't. Oh, come on. All right. So let's go ahead, snag these, set them off to the side here, and we will go through and see which savings challenges got what today. All right, so this little beauty is from the Secret Budgeter. I decided each butterfly would be $2, and we're adding 1, 2, 3. So what we're gonna do Okay, sorry about that interruption. This little beauty's from the Secret Budgeter. I decided each butterfly would be $2. So since we got $3 here, we have one complete, and then we'll color in half here. And then once we get the other dollar for that other half of the butterfly, we will add it at that point. So this savings challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. As a matter of fact, I do need to make a change, and we have a 5 right here, so that's perfect. All right, yay, it's coming along pretty well. So next up, what do we have? What do we have? We have $1, $2, $3 going into the SNC Budget Creations freebie, which this one's linked down below if you're interested in grabbing it. I did shrink it to fit into my mini envelopes. It does come in an A5, and you can adjust the sizing however you see fit. 1, 2, and 3. Since we're doing this little extra cash stuffing here for these savings challenges, I might actually finish this one by the end of October. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. And let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $10. Yes. Okay. So I'm super stoked that these savings challenges are coming along so well. Whichever savings challenges I finish for Mini Mondays, Freebie Fridays, that has been going into my Christmas binder. So love to see it. All right, so next we have Be a Bookworm from Dreamy Budgets. We just added this one in. There hasn't gotten any money yet, but today it got the spicy $2, 3, 4. So 4 flowers is what we're coloring in today. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Such cute savings challenges. And she did have a few options to choose from as well. So I think I printed all of hers because they're small enough to fit into my mini binder. And I mentioned before that I decided to put my Mini Mondays, Freebie Fridays into the A7 size mini binder because it's a lot easier to store in my safe. Having so many big binders was just a struggle for me. All right, so let's see here. We had this savings challenge and this savings challenge. Okay, so we'll get started with this one. So this savings challenge I got from The Nightlife. I will link her down below. And this is the second time I'm doing this savings challenge because it is so cute. But all of these savings challenges that you're seeing, these are freebies. So just so you're aware, and I will link them, link the ladies that I did get them from down below. All right, so we have $5, $6, $7. So we will go ahead and set this off to the side because this is a completed savings challenge, which we will be adding to my Christmas binder. Yay! So exciting. And then we are adding this little beauty here from Buttercup Budgets. She had a few as well. And I was trying to go more for like the Halloween theme, but you know, it just wasn't working out so smoothly. But it's not going to stop me from trying. So there's that. So we're going to go ahead and add $2 today to this savings challenge. We're going to color 2 of these spider webs. All right, and then we're just going to keep working on it and see what we can do here. Okay. All right, and then this savings challenge is getting $1. Okay, let's see how many more dollars we need. Just one. We just needed one. All right, yay! So we completed another savings challenge. We did it. We're champions. Okay, so this savings challenge is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, and we saved $5, $10, $11, $12. Yes, $12 is what we saved on this savings challenge. I'll set it off to the side there, and I'm just gonna grab another savings challenge. Okay, that took me a little longer than I expected. I only pulled the little mini ones and put them into this binder. And I was trying to use different savings challenges from different people. This one's from KathyBudgets. She had so many of them, and I printed so many of them. We're just going to put her back in rotation. Thank you, Miss Chatty Kathy, for making so many savings challenges. So we're not adding anything to this savings challenge yet, but we're going to go ahead and put it in here for the next go around. All right, and then This is the last savings challenge. I'll go ahead and show it to you. It's not getting anything. It's from Lil's World. And once again, quite a few options there to choose from. And I will link Lil's World down as well. And that's it for now, guys. We've gone ahead and completed 2 savings challenges, and we got back into Freebie Friday 2 times in a row because of editing issues, and I'm okay with it. I think it's a blessing in disguise. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank all of you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.